Hello everyone! Let's learn about the color green. Look around. What do you see that's green? Trees, leaves and grass are all green. Green is the color of nature. It's the color of the leaves on the trees and the grass beneath our feet. Remember, green starts with the letter G. Can you say green? Good job! Whenever you see something green, remember it's the color of nature, like the leaves on plants and the stems of flowers. Until next time, when we'll be seeing you soon in blue. See you then!